LS3 swap. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. A lot of people get it twisted when you say cheap LS swap. They think they really know what it is, but the truth is they really don't. That's why today, YouTube, I want to share with you the true meaning of a cheap LS swap. And after watching this video, you might change your mind about doing a cheap LS swap. But before we do that, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do a LS swap? We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube, step by step. We did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well, step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. As easy as you possibly can, as inexpensively as you possibly can, without sacrificing quality or performance. Let CHEVYS help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with CHEVYS, Tone. Y'all ready? Let's get it. YouTube, what it do, man? What it do? Hey, man, we back out here in the garage, man. Y'all know what time it is. Hey, we got the donks behind us. We got the 72 convertible Impala LS swap. This is the car you seen in the intro. And we also got the 75 convertible Caprice that we pulled out the woods, y'all. Look like it's been unmolested, man. It's 28 years, y'all. Man, all this CHEVYS. Wow. Bit of air in the tire, just a little bit. Before we get started, hey, if you like learning how to do LS swaps, the most inexpensive, cost-effective way that you can possibly do it, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and also drop me a comment and let me know what kind of LS swap you working on or what kind of LS swap your heart desires. All right, let's get it. All right, YouTube, man, I know the buzz, I know the internet been talking about doing cheap LS swaps and this and all that. And you probably done heard all kind of things. And for people that don't really know what a cheap LS swap is, I want to break this thing down to you, man, so you really know what a cheap LS swap is. And the first thing that probably crossed your mind is you probably thinking, don't nobody want nothing cheap, inexpensive, you know, using the lowest price materials, things that cost the least amount of money. And, you know, cheap stuff, you know, you get what you pay for. I'm just going to put it out there, y'all. You get what you pay for. Take a hose, for example, man. If you get the cheap hose versus the expensive hose, you're going to get what you pay for. The expensive hose is going to outlast the cheaper hose or the clamp. You know, you buy a cheap clamp versus a quality clamp that costs more money. Yeah, you think that the more expensive clamp is going to outlast the inexpensive clamp. And majority of the time, hey, that's true. But I just want to let y'all know, man, that same principle, it does not apply to a cheap LS swap. I'm just going to let y'all know. It don't apply to a cheap LS swap, okay? when you say cheap LS swap, it don't necessarily mean that you're doing an LS swap and the quality is going to be low and it's not going to last, or it's not going to run as good as a LS swap that costs $10,000 or $20,000. No, it don't mean that, man. So let's get that in your head. It don't mean that. You know what I'm saying? Or a cheap tire versus an expensive tire. You're going to get more mileage out of the expensive tire, but it's going to cost you more than the cheaper tire. It's going to outlast the cheaper tire. That principle does not apply to a cheap LS swap, y'all. I just want that to be clear, okay? Now that we know what a cheap LS swap is not, let me share with you what a cheap LS swap really is, man. When I say cheap LS swap, I mean a LS swap that is done the most inexpensive way that you can without sacrificing quality or sacrificing performance, y'all. Because, you know what I'm saying? I know you don't want your LS swap vehicle sitting on the side of the road. You broke down at a car show, or you trying to ride and have fun and do burnouts and stuff like that. You can't do it if it's broken. You know, if things are really cheaply done and low quality, you can't do all that. So get this in your mind. When I say cheap LS swap, I'm talking about an LS swap that's done the most inexpensive way that you can possibly do it without spending a whole lot of unnecessary money on things that you really don't need, you know, and doing things a more cost-effective way. And so that's what CHEVYS specialize in doing, man. Showing you how you can do your LS swap as inexpensively as you possibly can without sacrificing your quality or your performance. I'm going to give you an example. Now, you can go and spend $2,000-$3,000 on a serpentine setup for your LS swap because the factory serpentine setup, it don't fit in your vehicle like it's supposed to. You got clearance issues where your power steering pulley is hitting the power steering box and your AC compressor hitting the frame rail and all of that. Yeah, some people will go out and spend $2,000-$3,000 on a whole new serpentine setup just because of that. But check this out, man. It's a more inexpensive way to do that. You can reuse the factory serpentine setup if you go out and you tweak a couple of things. You might have to spend $150 versus $3,000. And you know what? That works. And that factory serpentine setup is going to work just as good as that $3,000 setup. And you ain't sacrificing no quality. You ain't sacrificing performance, man. It's a lot of people out here spending unnecessary money. I'm not going to say it's unnecessary because if you got it to spend, hey, go ahead and spend it. But I'm talking about the less fortunate people, the people that don't have all that extra money. That's why we are here. That's why CHEVYS is here, man, to help you do your LS swap, man. A cheap LS swap, it'll blow your doors wide open, man. I know a lot of people that's done a cheap LS swap, and it run just as good as the LS swap that costs $10,000 and $20,000, man. And I'm telling y'all straight up. So if you're interested in learning how to do a cheap LS swap the most cost-effective way you can without sacrificing your quality or without sacrificing your performance, I'm telling y'all, man, y'all need to link up and lock in with the CHEVYS family. Hey, you ain't even got to have no experience. I'm going to be straight up, man. I seen a lot of people do an LS swap for their first time without no experience at all. Hey, we're going to teach you everything you need to know. And if you don't believe me, you better ask somebody. So y'all go ahead and click that subscribe button. We got you. You got the whole community for support, man. Let CHEVYS help you do your LS swap. And join us, man, for Go Live Wednesday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time for live LS swap questions and answers. And if you got a project car or if you got a car that's already fixed up and you want to show it off, man, hey, join us, man, so you can inspire somebody else and show that thing off, man. Y'all make sure y'all do that. Hey, look at that shirt, man. Y'all see that? Hey, the turntable minister. Hey, shout out to my man, DJ Mac Cummins, man. If you like gospel music, hey, be lifted up, be encouraged, be inspired, man. Y'all go check him out. YouTube.